Now in this lecture, what we will do, we are just going to refactor the code and whatever logic we have written here, static data which we have displayed, in place of this, we will access the data from the database and dynamically we are going to render our data. So for that, inside this includes folder, I will be creating one file common functions.php. Here open this PHP and then close PHP. First, let us work on these occasions. So what I will do, for this occasion, I will be creating one function. Function name, I will write get occasion. And inside this function, what we are going to do, whatever data we are having inside this occasions table, entire data we are going to access, and for that we are going to write SQL query. And here we need access of a connection variable, so we are just going to make as global. And why we are making global? Because this connection variable is present inside connect.php, and to access this inside the function, we are making this variable as global. Below this, create one variable select occasions is equal to, I need to select all the occasions. So here I will write SQL query select star from my table name is occasions. And where we are having this table name, this is the exact table name which we have created inside the database. So select all the data from this table. Now below this, we are just going to execute. For that, I will write result occasions is equal to my SQLi query. Inside this, we will be passing two parameters. First is a connection variable and second is the variable where we have called our query. So this is our select occasions. Next, what we have to do, once we have accessed all the data, we have to fetch the data. For that, we are having another function MySQLi fetch assoc. And this entire thing, I'm just going to assign to one variable row. Here I will write MySQLi fetch assoc. And inside this fetch assoc function, we have to pass this result occasion variable. Copy and paste. So using this we are fetching, we are executing, and finally we are fetching our entire data. Now if I write this, only this first row, whatever row data we are having, only this data will be assigned. Okay, later on we are going to access all the data, but as of now, come down, create one variable, occasion ID. Then from this row, what I have to access? I have to access this occasion ID. Exact same name what we have given inside the column, we have to pass the exact same name. Same thing, copy. Next variable occasion title. Variable can be anything, but inside this row we have to pass the exact same names which we have passed inside the table. If you echo and see the row result, you will be finding complete result of this row. Once I have accessed, write this echo double quotes semicolon, come to index.php. Here we are having occasions. Copy this complete li, first li copy, and inside this paste. Wherever we are having double quotes, change to single quotes. Why? Because outside we are using double quotes, so inside we should be having single quotes. And inside href, I will write index.php. Parameter name, I will be passing occasion. And for this occasion, I'm just going to assign this occasion ID. So whenever I hover on this occasion, whatever ID we are having inside the database, that will be shown. Then here also, I will be changing to navlink. Here also, I will change to single quotes. And in place of this title, I'm just going to pass the occasion title which we have fetched from the database. Okay, I have created simple function. Inside this, we are fetching all the data from the database. We have accessed occasion ID, we have accessed occasion title, and we have just echoed this complete li. Now once it is done, come to index.php. Above this, okay, just bring this down. Above this, first I'm just going to include connect.php. Copy, paste, inside includes folder, we are having connect.php. Then next, I'm just going to include this common functions. Why I'm including connect? Because inside common functions, we are using this connection variable, and also to work with databases and tables, we have to connect to the database. So that is the reason in this way, I'm just connecting to the database, and also I have included this common functions. Scroll down, remove this complete static data. I will write PHP. Come to common functions, copy this function name, and inside this I'm just going to paste. Then close PHP. And inside common functions, here you can see in place of this single quotes, you can use this backticks. Refresh once. Successfully, I am able to access first data from the database. Now, but what I want, doesn't matter how many data I am having inside the database, all the data I have to access. So what you can do, this entire row wrap inside parenthesis, remove this semicolon, and here you have to pass while function. Open curly braces and below this close. If you are using while, no matter how many data we are having inside the database, we are fetching all the data from the database. Now come here, refresh. You can see dynamically we are able to display all the data. Birthday, anniversary, new year and baby shower. Now here I will insert another data. Let me write Mother's Day. Click on go. Come to project, refresh once. You can see dynamically this occasion is added. Now exact same way we are going to create for categories. Copy this complete function. Below this paste, in place of get occasions, I will write get gift categories. Table name gift categories. Copy, paste. Here I will write select categories. Copy, paste. Here I will write result categories. Okay. Only thing you have to do some changes. Copy this result, paste here. In place of this occasion ID, I have to pass category ID, then category title. From database, category ID and category title. Okay, let me show you. Inside this gift categories, you can see we have category ID and category title. That data we have to access. And here I will write category. In place of this occasion ID, pass category ID and here category title. Accordingly, you have to do all the changes. Now come to index.php. Remove this complete li. Copy this. Here I will be pasting. Instead of this, I will copy this function and here I am going to call. Come to project, refresh once. You can see successfully whatever data I am having inside the database, I am able to access all the data. So in this way, we will access the data from the database and dynamically we are just going to render the data. And one more thing, let me show you. If I just hover on this birthday, below this focus, I am having occasion equal to 1. And then for this occasion equal to 2. So whatever ID we are having inside the database, that will be shown. From here I have to remove 1 equal to, and here also I will be removing 1 equal to. Now come here, refresh once. Now for baby shower, occasion equal to 4. Mother's Day, occasion equal to 5. For category equal to 1, category equal to 2. And if I click on this, in URL also, I will have the ID number which is assigned inside the database.